So in this question here, we've got x is normally distributed the 0, 1. So the two parameters, mean is 0 and the variance is 1. So the mean is 0 and the variance is 1, which also means the standard deviation is also 1. So we can mark these up on our bell curve here with the mean at 0, and then going along each standard deviation we just add or subtract 1. So 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now the question asks us the probability of the absolute value of x minus mu is less than some value x is 0.72. So what that tells us is the centre part would be area of 0.72 and the remaining 0.28 will be shared amongst the tails. Now as we know, one standard deviation from the mean is about 34%. We know this is going to be just past one standard deviation either way. So this would be 0.72 in here. So this would be 0.14, 0.14, shared equally by the laws of symmetry. So now what we can do is we can use the inverse normal CD function on our calculator. Probability x is less than x equals, the calculator is going to work from this point downwards. So we've got 0.14, so that means we need to type in our calculator area equals 0.14. So we got it set on variable, which is what we want. Let's pick the left tail as per the question, and the area we want as 0.14. So we got that in there. Then the standard deviation is 1 because it's standard normal. The mean is 0 for standard normal. Press execute and we get the minus 1.08 as required. Then what we can do is try the right tail. By the laws of symmetry we should get the positive version, which is what's coming up there, 1.08. Or the other option, we can pick central, do a quick calculation to work out what the middle area is, which is 0.72 as on the board. Then that should give us both results, which is the positive and the minus version of 1.08 and so on. Now we know by the laws of symmetry we'll get this version here and this version here, the plus and the minus. This will be the minus, this will be the positive, but it'll have the same value. So x equals, I can leave that as a minus, and as a plus, and x equals minus 1.0803. So that'd be our two values, and that fits in well because it's between minus 1 and minus 2 here, and between 1 and 2 here. So that's our two values that we need, and that would be our answer. Okay.